What's happening in Long Beach? Steve Nader here with Beach Team Real Estate, and this is your Long Beach market update. It is now in the fall. School has started, and we're starting to talk about the holidays. I cannot believe that Christmas and Thanksgiving and Halloween are almost here, but they're right around the corner. With holidays typically comes a lull in the market. We're hearing from different parties, and when I say different parties, I mean buyers, sellers, investors, the media, economists, and etc., that are expecting a abnormal slowdown in the holiday season. Now, in Long Beach, California, the skies are usually beautiful. We don't deal with as much weather elements as many of the markets out there that are maybe more seasonal. But even here in Southern California, it is anticipated that we may see a slowdown in the holiday months. Now, if we're looking at what has just transpired last month going into now, we can definitely tell that the market is softening as there are less sales happening and prices are starting to erode just a little bit. I want to give you an example. We had a couple of listings recently that were really value priced for the market. A home that was turnkey and could have sold immediately 6 months ago. Today, we're seeing it taking more like 21 to maybe 30 days before offer activity actually picks up on that property. I also want to point out too, any value price properties right now that are really seeming like they're a good deal are getting scooped up immediately. Buyers still love a good deal. Let's take a look at some of the numbers here and we can get into what I'm talking about. In Long Beach specifically, we have seen the number of new listings come to market drop over 45% compared to this time last year. That basically tells us that less sellers are willing to part with their homes based on the new pricing structure that's happening across the board. We also have an over 53% drop in pending sales compared to this time last year. Now, last year was a record-breaking year. It broke all records by leaps and bounds, so it's not crazy to think that we may be dealing with less sales this year, but an over 53% drop in sales compared to this time last year, that's pretty substantial. That's in the single-family housing market. I do want to point out, too, that days on market are going up. It's gone from 16 average days on market to now 23 days on market, an increase of over 43% year over year. Now, if we're talking about the condo market is a little bit different. We are still seeing more condos coming to market. Typically, that market has a higher velocity of turnover than the single family market. So in condos, we have new listings down 25%. We have pending sales down 37%, and days on market are about the same as this time last year at about 23 days. At the end of the day, let me just share with you, football season's back. The season's changing. Distractions are going to come on. The shopping season's about to happen where people are spending their money on other things besides housing. And we are definitely going to see that translate into the market coming into Q4. I'm Steve Nader of Beach Team Real Estate. That is your Long Beach market update.